Rakesh sir. Welcome you all in first lecture of mathematics. In this lecture, we are going to see second unit of mathematics, that is matrices. So this will be the lecture number 1 for matrices. We first see definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of number, symbols or expressions arranged in a rows and columns. It can be represented by any English alphabet capital letters. The representation of matrix in short form is A equal to Aij, B equal to Bij. This Ij, I stand for ith row, and J stand for jth column, jth column. Here are some examples of matrix. In this example, you can see the matrix is represented by capital letters of English alphabet. So the elements of matrix can be any number, whether it is positive, negative, fractional value or function, as well as trigonometric values also. See what is row of matrix. The horizontal lines of the numbers are called row of matrix. As you can see in the example, these horizontal lines are the row of matrix. Column of matrix, the vertical lines of the numbers are called column of matrix. Now 3 cross 2, it shows the dimension of matrix, or we can say 3 cross 2 is the order of matrix, means number of row into number of column, and the entries inside the rectangular array is known as element of matrix. The order of matrix. The order of matrix is its dimension, number of rows by number of column. If it has m rows and n columns, it is said to be a matrix of the order m cross n. We call this an m by n matrix. So for finding the number of elements, we have to multiply the number of row into number of column. This is the general form to write the number of matrix. In the corner of rectangular array, it is written that m cross n. It shows the order of matrix. As you see the elements of matrix A11, A12, A13. So the representation A23 shows that the element in the second row and third column. So in general, AMN means the element of mth row and nth column. Second 8 for A23, second row, third column. See, this is the second row and this is third column. Second row, third column, A23. So some examples related to order of matrix. So if the order of matrix is 3 cross 2, then the number of elements is 6. If the order of matrix is 3 cross 4, then the number of elements should be 12. Some important note, if the entries of the matrix are real number, then that matrix is called real matrix. We can represent any point in a plane by a matrix in the form of column matrix as well as row matrix. Some general matrix of order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2, 3 cross 3, extra are as follows. See, first one is 2 cross 2. This is the way to represent the 2 cross 2 matrix. Here, if we see A21, 21 means first one is for row, so second row and first column. See, 1 2, 1 2 means first row, then second column. 1 is stand for I and 2 here for J, means ith row, jth column, first row, second column. See some example questions. Example number 1. Two matrices are given. Find the sum of 2, 3 entries of A and B. 2, 3 entries means first point is representing row number and second point is representing column number. So second row, third column. For matrix A, second row, third column, the value is 3. And for matrix B, second row and third column, the entry is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. This is your answer. See example number 2. The elements Aij of a 3 cross 3 matrix are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. Write the value of element A32. A32 means the value of I is 3 and j is 2. So in this given formula we have to put the value of I is 3 and j is 2. So we'll get the answer 7 by 2. Here inside the mod we'll get minus 7, but when the negative value comes out from the mod, so we'll get the positive value. Example number 3. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j. So same only. First we need to write the 3 cross 2 matrix. Means number of row 3 and number of column 2. Then for finding different elements, we have to put the subscript value, that is for A11. The value of I is 1, j is 1. So after putting the value, we'll get 1. So like that we can find all remaining values as per the requirement. So this is the required matrix of 3 cross 2. Example number 4. If A is equal to Aij, where Aij is equal to I plus j when I greater than equal to j, I minus j when I less than equal to j. Construct a 3 cross 3 matrix A, 3 cross 3 matrix A. So this is the 3 cross 3 matrix representation for first element A11. So for A11 here I is 1 and j is also 1. So I equal to j. For I equal to j, we have to take I plus j, means 1 plus 1. So answer will be 2. Now for A12, here the value of I is 1 and j is 2. So I is less than j. In that case, we have to take second one, I minus j, means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Like that, we can find all the values. Hence, this is the required matrix A. See, here's some exercise questions. First question, write the order of each of the following matrices. For finding the order, what we need to do? By counting the number of row and number of column. So here the number of row is 2 and number of column is 4. So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 4. Now see question number 4. The number of row is 1 but the number of column is 2. So order of matrix is 1 cross 2. See question number 6. The number of row is 1 as well as number of column is also 1. So order of matrix is 1 cross 1. Question number 2, 3. This type of questions we have solved in examples. So you can try it. For in case of any doubt, I will explain you again. Then question number 4. If a matrix has 24 elements, the matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? For 24 elements, for finding the possible orders, we need to find the factors of 24. That is 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, then 12 into 1, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 8 into 3, 3 into 8. These are the possible factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 possible orders we can have by 24 elements. Now what will happen if it has 13 elements? 13 elements means only 2 possibilities, 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. So possible order is 2. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. In question number 5, we can see two matrices given, matrix A and matrix B.